So what's up guys? Just a couple things for my car. I don't have nothing new right now, but I do have a couple things that I order on, what is it called, AliExpress, whatever it's called. They're gonna take a while. It's gonna take a while to get here, like a month, maybe, probably a month. Little things, little details. When they get here, I'll put them on and I'll let you guys know. I still want to do, I do have actually the headers for this car. I want to install it. I still gotta wrap them, the heat wrap, and then install them, and then we'll see the difference, if it's gonna make any difference on in the engine, in the sound. I'm thinking about doing the, what is it called, the plenum spacer. See if it makes a difference. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know if it is worth it. If this car was a standard, definitely. But since it's automatic, I don't know if it would make a big of a difference, but we'll see. I still want to do the inside. See, like that, like, see how it's like ripped over there. There's a couple, 1, 2, maybe 3 that I want to fix, but I want to change the interior. I want to do like black and red, something like that, that console red, little things like that. I do want new rims. Nothing wrong with this one, but I want new ones. I do have a new door sill that I want to install. I want to make it look better, and then I'll let you guys know how that comes out. As soon as I get home, I'll show you the headers and the new door sills. So here I have the heat wrap insulation for the headers. Oh. And here I have the headers. I didn't open yet. They're greasy. Let me see if I can check one out. Yeah, they are greasy. A little bit. I don't know if you can see DC Sports. Still gotta wrap them and then bring it to the shop to install it. It's gonna look nice. It's gonna make a little bit of a difference. Crap, my hands are greasy now. And I have new, let me see. I have new door sills. Like this one, it says like sports. Has little dots over here. Let me see. This one looks nicer. The only thing is, like, I emailed the online store. I wanted it like the cut like this. This is how I wanted it cut, but this is what they sent me. Again, this is the third time. They cannot make this thing right. So you see, like this. This is what you have on your car. So I took this out and I installed this one. Oh, turn off. Ah, crap. So I installed this one over here. I gotta redo this because it didn't, like, when it's off, you can see the gap right over here, a little bit over here. I had to cut this by hand. I mean, not by hand, with some tools, but it's not nice as if it was cut by CNC machine, as they say. It would look so much better if they had cut this the way I want it, like this, and then it would fit so much better over here. I'm gonna have to redo this, take it out and glue it again, and then I'll show you guys like the finished product after I'm done. It's gonna take a couple days. I just want to show you guys what I'm up to. Alright, thanks for watching.